Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
This is a brass tinted, gold hued table lighter promoting the state of Florida with a couple of pink flamingos, an alligator, palm trees. It's like a red plant of some sort. I'm sure somebody who's more familiar with the state of Florida could tell me what that is. Is that the ocean and the swamp? I don't know. Found this lighter at a place called The Rink out in western Oklahoma City. Really more like Bethany. No marking. Ronson style automatic mechanism. I believe there was probably a felt pad, and we'll get another one on there, but that is what is left of the adhesive, I believe, that brown or amberish that you see there. The mechanism, as I said earlier, is a typical Ronson standard clone. Lighters that came out originally in the late 1920s, early 1930s. And that flint doesn't want to shake out of there. I don't recall ever having that problem before. Lighter that seems to be sparking just fine, but the flint won't drop out of it. See if we might be able to work our spring up there. Maybe shake that flint loose. I don't really need it to come out of there. I just wanted to show you how you install it in this lighter. Put your flint down the tube, just like that. But in this case, we're not going to do it twice. So we'll drop one we just put back out of there, and we will replace our spring and screw. And it is probably that the tube has still got some residue in it from the old degraded flint adhering to the sides of that tube, turning to concrete, powder, whatever the case may have been. I don't recall. So we will have to do a further detailed repair to make sure that flints will drop in and out of this lighter. So keep an eye out for that one. It's a never-ending parade of repairs that need to be made when you encounter old lighters in these conditions. And I don't know, I think this will hold at least 3 or 4 droppers. There's 2. Not backing up on me yet. There's 3, and appears to still be drinking it up. That seems to be still absorbing it, but maybe not as quickly as before, so we'll go ahead and put the cap on, check it. It may be that we've got fluid dripping out our wick at this point. You just never know, depending on how a lighter is packed, the condition of the wick, the design of the snuffer, whether it actually seals everything off there to begin with. And doesn't seem to be too overfilled. No signs of vapor lock or anything like that. So that is an insert style Ronson clone automatic type lighter on a base that is made to promote the state of Florida. No markings whatsoever as far as I can see or recall. As far as the country it was made in, I guess would be Japan, maybe 70s or 80s. Those are just my perceptions. Pretty cool lighter though.